How to fix error 0xc00007B. Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you to fix this error. It is a very common error which can be fixed by only 2 steps. First of all, open your browser and type C++ redistributable download. Go to the official Microsoft website and download the Visual C++ according to your system information. You can download Visual Studio 2015, 2017, 2019 and even 2022. Also download the Visual Studio according to your system specifications. If your computer is 32 bits, download the x86, and if it is 64 bits, download the 64 bits version of Visual Studio 2013 or at least till 2015. Look up for it and download, open and install. Now the next step is go to the search icon and type cmd and run it as an administrator. Then type a command sfc/scan now, enter, and once you have done that, restart your system and see the changes. This is how you can fix this error in your system. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel for more amazing updates. Thank you, see you in the next video.